Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the water filter on your refrigerator. I have a Samsung refrigerator here, but this will work for LG, Frigidaire, pretty much any model. You're just going to need the right replacement filter and to know where it is, the location in your refrigerator to change it. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So depending on usage, I have to change my filter about every 3 months, but a little filter reminder indicator goes off to let me know it is time to change the filter. Now opening up my refrigerator, my filter on this Samsung model is located between the two drawers down there, but if you have an LG, it's probably located up near the ice tray, or if you have a Frigidaire, it's usually on one of the doors. Check your owner's manual or online to know the location of where your filter is. Now, one thing I always advise doing before trying to take out the filter, if you try to just automatically unlock it by hand, it's usually pretty hard to turn. That's because it's under pressure with the water. So I always advise turning off your water supply to make that filter easier to take out. Now, underneath my kitchen sink, I actually have the water valve right here that I can just turn off water to my refrigerator. Yours may vary. It may be downstairs if you have a two-story house, or maybe behind your refrigerator, but mine is located underneath the sink here. All right, we got the water turned off, so you're just gonna wanna turn it counterclockwise about a quarter of a turn, and it should come right out like so. Okay, here we have our old filter and our new filter. As you can see, they're pretty darn similar, actually the exact same thing. You want to ensure that the new filter has, gaskets with little O-rings around here. They're seated properly and not damaged. Otherwise, when you install your new water filter, it could leak, which you do not want. Okay, and in goes the new filter. Just push it on in. It should kind of pop in there. You might have to rotate it a little bit. Just make sure you push it in and get it locked. You usually hear a little bit of water as water's being released back into the filter. And then make sure to turn your water line back on. Now, anytime you put a new filter in, I'd recommend running at least probably 100 ounces of water before you start drinking anything. So I usually just grab this big Blendtec blender jug here and fill it all the way up. As you turn off the water and turn it back on, it may spit out a little bit as it's clearing the air out of the lines. But like I said, I fill this thing all the way up. You might want to do this once or twice before you actually start drinking from it. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed today's quick video on how to change the water filter on your refrigerator. Again, this is a Samsung, but it's pretty universal for LG, Frigidaire, Kenmore, whatever brand you have. You just need to know the location and the exact type of replacement filter for your specific refrigerator. I'll put links below to where I get mine on Amazon. They're about 10 bucks a piece. Again, I have to change them out every 3 months, so it's not that bad. Also, if you want to have instructions on how to reset the filter light on Samsung refrigerators, I made a video about that, and I'll put a link below in the description. So if you found this video informative, please hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.